Hello student, I am Hiral Nanavati from SV English Medium School going to teach you today about the shapes and angles. Now you are going to come to school, and if you want to go to buy a lunch box and you ask to the shopkeeper about the lunch box, what you are going to say? Give us the lunch box. But when the shopkeeper asks you about the shapes, then you have to tell them about the shape, which shape lunchbox you want. In our daily routine life, if you have to ride a cycle, your bicycle must have a circle tire. But if you have a square tire, then what happened? You can ride your bicycle? No. So the shape are very important in our day-to-day routine life. Now what is the shape? The form of an object or its outer line, boundaries or outer surface is called the shape. There is some different shapes you can see in the screen, that is triangle, rectangle, circle, square, rhombus, oval, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon. There is a very different type of shapes. Now shapes are two types. One is the open shape and other one is closed shape. Now what about the open shape? A shape or figure whose line or curve does not meet each other. They do not start and end at the same end point. That's called the open shape. And what about the closed shape? Is closed shapes or a figure whose line or curve connected or meet at the one end point. So the start and end point is the same in the closed shape, but in the open shape, starting point and end point never meet each other. So there is different open shape and closed shape you can see on the screen. Now about the angles. The figure formed by two rays meeting at one common endpoint is called the angle. Here two ray, or you can say arms OA and OB meet at one endpoint, that is O, and form one angle, this angle OAOB, and you can speak angle AOB. Now you can see in the different shapes given here. First is the triangle. Now from triangle, how many angle we can form? 3 angles. From the square we can form 4 angles, and pentagon we can form 5 angles, and for rectangle we can form 4 angles, and hexagon we can form 6 angles, and from octagon we can form 8 angles. Now types of a angle. There is so many different types of angles. First is the acute angle. The angle measure between 0 to 90. It's called a acute angle. But its measurement is between 0 to 19. Now if 56, your angle measure 56, then you can say that is the acute angle. Now when the angle measured exact 90 degree, equal to 90 degree, that angle is the right angle. Now when the angle measure more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, it's called obtuse angle. Which angle? Obtuse angle. Now what about the straight angle? Straight angle is measured straight. It means one 180 degree. If angle measure 180 degree, we can say that angle is the straight angle. Now reflex angle. Well, angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. That's angle called reflex angle. Reflex angles means greater than 180 and less than 360 degree is reflex angle. Now complete angle or a full rotation. Complete angle means the full rotation. When the angle measure exactly 360 degree means complete one round, that angle is called the complete angle. That angle called the complete angle. Now for this angle we can use in our day-to-day life. This is the clock showing you the times. Time and different times show you the different angle. First one, at exact 2 o'clock, the yellow part show you that form one angle. In first picture, that is less than 90 degree, means that is the acute angle. And in the second, that is the 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock means exact 90 degree. So this 3 o'clock means a right angle. Now in third picture, it is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock means greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So that is the obtuse angle. Now the 6 o'clock is exactly 180 degree. So it is the straight angle. Now here in 1 clock you can see 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is more than 180 degree. So more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is a reflex angle. So 8 o'clock is reflex angle. And this is the 12 o'clock, means entire complete circle. So exactly 360 degree at 12 o'clock is make the complete angle. So in the clock different hour also show you the different angles. Now yoga is very important part of our life. In daily routine we are doing yoga or any exercise, you can see the some posture of yoga in this picture. In routine life, in first posture you can see from the red mark, you can see what angle, and that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it form obtuse angle. In second picture, in other posture of yoga, you can see exactly the right angle. So this posture make the right angle. Now in the third one, also in one yoga posture you can see the right angle, and in the last one you can see the less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. So that is the acute angle. So the angles and shapes also form very important role in our day-to-day life. Now how to measure the angle? Angle we can measure by the protractor. We have to use the protractor to measure the angle. So in next class we can teach, if I can show you the how to measure the angle. Thank you.